Continuing with the SEER 3D solutions for SEER for manufacturing, today we'll take a slightly deeper dive into the sheet metal process, so SEER 3D for sheet metal, and we'll take a look at one of the parts here. So the part has been imported, simply click on import, select it from the list, or else browse as you would any other traditional file finding activity. We have to select a knowledge base. So it's an airframe, and that's in this list here. And once that's selected, this part will flatten out to its evolved shape. Tell it how many we're going to build. We'll make 100 batches of 10. It's made from aluminium alloys. Again, alloy your own materials to the system. They can be at your specification and prices. Make sure that the materials match the materials in SEER for manufacturing. Bounding box is user defined. This is the bounding box size here, and we have a shape complexity. That shape complexity is derived by the number of features that are listed here. And the sum of these features come to 16, and that 16 correlates in the manufacturing environment for aircraft frames to a complexity of high minus. You can add other operations if you wanted to. So if you had a second conventional break form operation, for example, add that to the list and carry on. These are parameters based upon the geometry, area, thickness, weight, volume, density of the material selected. Our process options are here. So it's telling us we're going to drill and route. We're then going to do some profile trimming after forming, hand hammer just to true it up, anodize, epoxy prime, polyurethane paint, and remove any tooling errors. Now, if you wanted to, this is what the environment says. You may think, no, I'm going to actually laser beam this one. So we turn one off and the other one on. And that's all you do to go from one to the other. You can water jet cut it. It does allow you to do all of them, which is wrong. All you need to do is have one of these selected. The processes are here. Finishing heat treatment ops, turn that one off because I'm doing it here. Tool fab design, you can turn the tooling on or off, I'll turn it back on, and we're done. So it's just a case of clicking on estimate. So here we go. This is the resultant estimate back in native SEER for manufacturing, the cost and engine behind all of our 3D solutions. So the first one is an aero sheet metal operation. I recognize the icon. You can check by double clicking and seeing the process type in this dialog box here. Standard are 100, are 10, labor rates, and the process specific. So all of the geometry sizes have come in here. It's aluminium alloys, got a reclaim area size but no value, so that's not doing anything. Form operations is we're going to do a pressing op. We're going to do profile trim, hand hammer. We're going to do polyurethane paint, anodize, and so on. So they're all in there as included. This is the finishing operations and the preform operation here, excuse me, which was the bending up laser cutting operation, which has now been put in using the traditional fabrication process here. So you could pick this one up, put it before that one, move it up, put them in the right order, but that's not necessary because SEER doesn't know. And we have our estimate. So that's it, that's how it works. Just show you, this is the newer version where once you've done the estimate of the part, you get this summary here before you click on show MFG, and it will go off and load the resultant estimate as before. So once again, thank you very much for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in the future. Don't hesitate to contact us for sales, support, any inquiries that you may have, an evaluation, you would like to try something, please contact Chris or David, and they will be happy to help and reach out to you. Thank you very much.